Alright, so here I'm just doing my foundation. This is gonna be a really, really awkward video for me because I'm not a beauty guru and I'm not used to this. But I always get asked to do a tutorial. So yeah. I just did my foundation and then I'm setting my face and I use Wet n Wild for both. I only use cruelty-free products. I've been doing that for, I want to say 6 years. So I'm a contour using the Anastasia palette, and I've had that brush for a long time. I think it was like a brush set that my sister bought like on Amazon like years ago, and it's still good. It's still pretty good condition. It doesn't shed or anything, which I like. My face is very asymmetrical. It's bothering me. Alright, so now I'm just gonna highlight. I just used the same highlight off of the palette. Sometimes I'll use a different one just depending on how I'm feeling or if I'm going somewhere else, like, but this is just kind of convenient because it's right there. But sometimes I'll use something like a different highlighter on top of another highlighter. And chapstick. Alright, I'm gonna speed this clip up because this is gonna take forever, but it's just me contouring my nose. I have a really big nose and I never learned how to contour my nose, so I just kind of like do what I feel looks best. And it probably doesn't look best, but that's just what I do. And also my hair looks a mess because I took a nap. Because I was cramping. But it's okay. And then I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm going to also speed that up, but I'm just going to show you how I do one side of my brow. So that one, that way it's not like a really long video. I also use the Anastasia dip brow. And then the brush is actually from a company called Crown. It's a really, really, really good brush company. And yeah. A very different set of eyebrows. Like that one's my bad brow. My other one's my pretty good brow. I already did the other brow. I'm just combing it out. Alright, so now I'm gonna just do my eyeshadow. I don't wear mascara sometimes to give my eyelashes a break. So I'm just putting like a very, very light eyeshadow on my eyes. Sometimes I use a taupe, sometimes I use like a orangey rose kind of color. It just depends. Like a nude. Alright, and then I'm gonna line my lips. This is one of the most requested things to show. But I like to darken, to have my liner be darker than my lipstick. Ever since I was little, my mom used to like line her lips and with like a darker pencil, which I really liked. So my inspiration for that is kind of like the old school 90s look. And I've always kind of done this, but I'm just using a Bronx color lip liner with well, you'll see in a bit, but Yeah, it's like, I think it's, I don't know what color it is, but I'll search it up. It's a brown. I really, really like it. And I do have a Cupid's bow, but, like, it's weird. Like, my bottom lip is a little bit bigger than my top lip, so when my lips come together, my Cupid's bow kind of, like, erases, because, I don't know, it's, like, hard to explain, but, like, you'll see it in a bit what I'm talking about. Okay. So that, whenever I, like, put my lips together after wearing lipstick, it kind of rubs off. But sometimes, so these are the two lipsticks that I usually use. The one in the black is the Anastasia and Rosewood, and then this one is kind of like what I usually go for, and that's the ColourPop Disney collection, and it's the Belle one. It's pink, and it's pretty because it blends in well with the brown. So whenever I smush my lips together, my Cupid's bow kind of disappears. There I am posing. And then you can leave it like that, or you can use this, or you can use a lip gloss. I use the, again, Disney collection from ColourPop, and it's the Last Petal from the Belle collection. Sometimes I pack it on, sometimes I don't. I'm just highlighting kind of my cupids. You can't really see my cupids anymore, but because I keep rubbing my lips together. So I'm just cleaning up my lips. And then there I am. So I can kind of pop through. Yeah, this is it. Yay, yay. Hope you like